Hi, good day to all. Myself, Ms. Arpita, faculty of Pattern Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear kids, in the last session we have discussed that is chapter number 3 for your syllabus, that is article. We have discussed what is meant by article and what are the types of it and what are the uses and what are the omission. Omission is nothing but where I should not use, like types of articles. We have all discussed this in the last session itself. In today's session, we'll solve the question answers based on article chapter. Okay. See, my dear kids, this is applicable for all the exam, that is Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. Okay. Before starting today's session, let me recall once. Okay. Let me recall what is meant by article, what are the definition of that. So it was easy to solve the question answers based on that. Okay, what is meant by article now? Articles are the words that defines a noun. Okay, article is a noun which defines a noun with or specific or unspecific. Okay, article is a word which defines a noun particularly or unparticularly. Okay, there are three articles, that is the, a, and. Okay, three articles are the, a, and you have learned the types of article. There are two types of article. The first one is definite article and the second one is indefinite article. The first one is definite article and the second one is indefinite article. In definite article, definite article, you will be getting only the. Okay, D for D. Under the definite article, you will be getting one article, that is the. In indefinite article, you will be getting two, that is a and. Okay, and what is meant by definite article? The is a definite article. It is used to limitation of nouns. Under that you have learned the 10 usage where I should use the article, and then the next we come to the second type of article, a and the, which is they are called as indefinite article. They are used to point out a thing or a things, and you have learned the omission. It's nothing but where I should not use the article. This and all we have learned in the last session itself. I hope you all remember that. My dear kids, my suggestion is to, before solving the question and answer session, please go to the theory part. Thorough with the theory part, then it will be very easy to solve the question answers. See, for example, if you know the definition very well and then each and every point, it is very easy. Seeing the question only, you can answer it. Okay, we'll start with the today's session. Today is a question answer session based on article chapter. Okay, we'll move on. Articles question and answer session. See, keep on telling in every classes, before starting the question answers, please go through the direction once, then start answering. Here the direction is, fill in the blanks with a suitable article from the option given below. So you have to fill the blanks with the option. They'll give the 4 options. You have to choose the appropriate among them and you have to fill them. Okay. Now the first question is, dash Tower of London is dash popular tourist place. Here you have to fill 2 because this is the article chapter. Okay, one there will be one missing the blank or the one or more, not an issue, but you have to fill it. Now your question is, dash Tower is London is dash popular tourist place. Let us see the options now. A and the, next and the, and the, a and the. See what I should fill now. Let us see now. See the. Well, explaining the is a definite article. Okay, the comes under definite article. The define definite article as it points out to a particular object or a class. The will come under the definite article which is used to point out a particular thing, object or a class. Okay, the is used to point out a particular object or a class. It comes under a definite noun. Okay, next a and an. See, a and an, you obviously know that a and an are the indefinite article which are used for singular nouns. Okay, a and an are a indefinite article which is used for a singular nouns. And then now see, compare now. Both the blanks should be filled by the first option. See, the Tower of London. Here the Tower of London is a See what da is used to? Da is used to point out a things, isn't it? Point out a thing or a object. Here tower. Tower is a object. So the Tower of London is a popular tourist place. The tourist place, as I said, no. What is used for singular noun? What is meant by noun there? Noun is nothing but which is used to point out a place, animal or a thing. Now what is tourist place? It is already place. The, why should I fill with the only? Because tower. Tower is a object there. And here a place name, it is a singular. So I should fill with the tail. Now what is my correct option? The Tower of London is a popular tourist place. So what is the correct option? Option A is the correct answer. This is how you have to analyze the question and then you have to choose the appropriate answer. Here you have to pull with the two bank. It's not so easy. You have to think. Okay, I'll repeat once. See, the first question is dash Tower of London is dash popular tourist place. This is your question. See, they'll not only they'll give one fill in the blank, they'll give 1, 2, 3. It's left to them, but you have to choose the appropriate answer among the given options. And your options are followed by the A. See, you should not fill first A and you should not fill first the. It should be like this only. First blank should be filled with the first only and then second option should be filled with the second only. You should not mix that. Keep in mind, you should not mix. It has to be like this only. First blank should be filled with the first letters, the first letters, that is indefinite or indefinite. Then you should use the second. You should not mess up like putting A here, the here. Okay, you have to order like that only. Okay. Now come back here and your options are option A the and A, and option B and the, option C A and an, option D the and the. This is your option. Now while explaining the is a definite article. Okay, the will come under a definite article which is used to point out a particular object or a class. Okay, the is a definite article which is used to point out a particular object or a class. And then A and an. Okay, A and an are the indefinite article which is used with a singular noun. You already know that. Okay, now we'll come back to the question. Dash Tower is the Tower of London. See, Tower is an object here. Okay, Tower is an object, so it has to be filled with a the here. See, the, because it is an object. And then popular tourist place. See, noun, singular noun is nothing but now what is the definition of noun? Noun refers to a specific object, person name or a animal, right? Here it is tourist place. It already know that place. So it has to be filled with a. Now what is that? The Tower of London is a popular tourist place. So what is the correct option? Option A. It has to be filled with the and A. Both the blanks should be filled with the first option as other will not sense the sentences. This means try with others. See, and tower and then the popular, no. A Tower of London, no. The Tower of London, the popular, no. This other options will not perfectly match the sentences. So therefore option A is the correct answer. My dear kids, please be calm and think properly and then choose the answer. When hurry up while doing, you will be a lot of enthusiasm and you will take whatever you want. But no, you have to analyze this plus think, first think then answer it. I hope you all understood this. We'll move to the next question. Next question is, where is dash video game I gave you yesterday? See, there is only one blank here. You have to fill with one article. That's all. And the question is, where is dash video game I gave you yesterday? And your options are an, option B A, option C the, option D no article. No article is nothing but no article should be placed in this, and I mean nothing or no one among the given option, no option will be matching here. That is meant by no article. No article should be placed in the sentences to make a grammatically. No article means you should not use any article in the sentences. This is usually a question. Let us solve this. See, the, as I said, the is a definite article which is used to point out a particular object or a class. And then a and an are the indefinite articles which is used for singular noun. Now, the is a most suitable option here as it shows video game that some that was given to me. See, video game is a object there. Okay, it was given to me. See, where is the video game I gave you yesterday? That is a thing which I have gave you yesterday. Here they have mentioned yesterday I gave you. See, I can give only things, isn't it? I can give you pencil, I can give you pen, I can give any object to you. Can you remember? I hope you all get it. If I want to give something to you people, I'll be giving object, isn't it? Here, video game is a object. What is the definition of the there? The is a definite article which is, as it points as a particular object or a class. Here, video game is the object, so it has to be filled with option B, option C, the. Where is the video game I gave you yesterday? This is how you have to analyze this. So what is the correct option? Option C is the correct answer. I'll repeat once. The second question, where is dash video game I gave you yesterday? See, I can't give you anything. I can give only object to you. Isn't it? I can give my pencil, I can give my book, or I can give anything. Just I can give a object to you. See, I gave. How can I guess here? The sentence they have mentioned I gave it. Okay, now I gave means it may be some object, isn't it? Now here in the sentences, video game is a object. Among the option, which is the correct option? Which is the definition? The definition. Check with the definition. The is a definite article as it point out an object or a class. Now video game is an object there. Now fill with the. Where is the video game I gave you yesterday? This is how you have to answer. So what is the correct option? Option C is the correct answer. Now I know the is the correct answer. Let me try with option A. Where is an video game I gave you yesterday? Isn't make a grammatical sentence? No. And where is a video game I gave you yesterday? It also will not make a complete sentence. So option C has to be filled, that is the article the has to be filled in the sentences. This is how you have to answer. I hope you all understood this. We'll move to the next question. Next question is, see, direction is same for everything. Fill up the blanks with a suitable article from the given option given below. Next, the question number 3 is, Vinod as dash headache. Okay, Vinod as dash terrible headache. Okay, and your options are same. This is a chapter article, only the 3 or 4 options, that is A and the and no article. This only the options will get, not like noun. In the noun chapter, we'll be getting singular, plural, and then gender, masculine, we are getting that and all. And the pronoun will be getting the types of nouns, reflexive, and then demonstrative, like that. We'll be getting many more. But here you will be getting only the 4 in all the questions, like A and the, because the particular chapter is based on the article. There are only 3 articles, that is A and the. A is A and the indefinite article, and the is a definite article. Now we'll come back to the question. Vinod as dash terrible headache. Headache means head pain. Okay, headache. We'll call the standard word headache. And option A and option B A, option C the, option B no article should be used there. Let me explain this. See again, the is a definite article which point out to a particular thing, and then A and an are the indefinite article. Now see, we know as an terrible headache. See, A is the correct option as other options don't fit here. See, Vinod as an terrible headache, and then Vinod as A. Vinod as A will not put that, and Vinod as the. No, A, the and no article cancel, and you will be having the confusion between an and A, right? Vinod as and terrible headache. Okay, it makes a complete sentence. See, Vinod has a terrible headache, isn't it? No. So it is Vinod has an terrible headache. This is how you have to answer. So what is the correct option? Option A. And is the correct answer. Vinod has an terrible headache. I hope you all understood. We'll move on now. Next one, the question number 4. Allahabad is situated on the bank of Dash Ganga. See, this is your question. Allahabad is situated on the bank of Dash Ganga. And your options are an, a, the, and then no article. Let us explain now. An and a are the indefinite article which is used for singular noun. And then the is a definite article which point out to a particular object or a class. Ganga is the proper noun, isn't it? Ganga is the proper noun. What is meant by proper noun? Which refers to a specific person, place or a thing, that is specific, particularly. Hence, da will be written before it. See, I hope you all remember. I have to explain you in where I should use the article, like before the name of the river, name of the word cup. I hope you all remember that, isn't it? See, where I should use the, for the first one is where I should use the used before the political parties, army forces, dynasties, empire and wars. And then the second one is the is used before a particular specific person, place or a thing. This is the first usage I have taught you while discussing the theory class, where I should use the article. The first usage is the is used before a particular person, place, animal or a thing. What is the definition of proper noun? It refers to a specific person, place or a thing. Here Ganga, Ganga is a particular place name, that is a river name. Okay, so it has to be filled with the, as I said, no, before the name of the river, before the name of the political parties, like that. Please go through the usages once. Okay, we'll discuss now. I will recall. Okay, the first usage where I should use the is used before a particular specific place or a thing. The first usage. The second usage is the is used before the political parties, army forces, dynasties, empires, and then revolution. The third one is the is used before the direction, okay, direction and date of a month, and then the east, like that. And the fourth one is the is used before the name of the rivers, seas, canals, oceans, okay, before the name of the rivers, canal, ocean. Here Ganga is the river, so da should be placed there. Do you got the difference? Now why should I not should go with an a? Because you have to use your trick, use your brain, where I should use the article over there. And the fifth one is it is used before the cups, trophies, etc. Okay, here Ganga is a river. In the usage, in the fourth usage or fifth usage, I have said you, da is used before the name of the river, ocean, seas. Here Ganga is a river. Ganga is a river. You all know that, right? It is a holy place. Ganga river, Ganga. Before that, the article will be placed. So what is the correct option? Option C. Da is the correct answer. This is how you have to analyze the question, and please go through it. Okay. I hope you all understood. We'll move on to the next one. Fifth question. See, my dear kids, direction same as it is. There is nothing like staying at dash home for relaxation. There is nothing like staying at dash home for relaxation. If you are good with your English, you can fill without seeing the option itself. Okay, you are all relaxing at the home now because this is a pandemic like COVID. From past 3 months, we are all staying at the home, but it's boring, right? While staying in the home, yes. For you especially, you are the people who are preparing for your dream school. You should not get bored. Keep on practicing. Now you got lot of time. See, my dear kids, will come, not only will not discuss syllabus in our tuition, right? We'll discuss what is there for your exam. Don't worry about your school syllabus. See, if you thorough with this syllabus, okay, that is Sainik, Navodaya and then RMS, it is very helpful to for your school syllabus also. This and all will come in your school syllabus also. Not only English, even especially mathematics. Okay, if you solve now itself, ma'am, Pushpa ma'am will tell you, if you keep on practicing that, okay, if you're thorough with that, in the school within a fraction of second you will be answered. Like ma'am will be, you will be attracted by all the students and then teachers. So please keep on practicing and be strong in all the subjects. Okay. Now we'll come back to question. Question number 5. There is nothing like staying at dash home for relaxation. This is your question and your options are followed by and option A, B, A, option C, the, option C, no article. See, entire question answers is based on the 4 articles, but this will be messed up and will come first, but the 4 articles, because there are only 3 articles, that is A and the. Now we'll start off with that blank. Solution. Obviously, da is a definite article which is used to point out a particular object or a class, and a and another definite article which is used for the singular noun. We all know that. Now, see, there is nothing like staying at home for relaxation. A is will be not make the grammatical sentence. We'll go with and. There is and nothing like staying and home. No. And then the third option. There is nothing like staying at the home. See, da, you have learned the uses of da. No, there is nothing home, they didn't tell. No, so it is already a grammatical sentences. There is nothing like staying at home for relaxation. So there is no article should be filled there. Sometimes it's already a grammatical sentence. No need to add any article over that. See, why should we use the article to make a grammatical sentence? If it is already a grammatical sentence, you need not to use any article. No, so here it is already a grammatical error. There is no error in the mistake. So no article should be placed in the sentences. What is the correct option? Option D is the correct answer. That is, there is no nothing like staying at no article. You should not read like no article. No article, it sends to you. No article should be filled here. So there is no nothing like staying at the home for relaxation. This is how you have to answer. I hope you all understood. My dear kids, if I fill here no article, please don't read with a statement. That is there is nothing like staying at a no article for home relaxation. No, you should not use no article. Just it reference to you. Why I am using the article? To make a grammatical sentences. Okay. If the sentence given is already grammatical, then you will be using no article. I hope you all understood now. Okay. We'll move on to the next question. See, question number 6 is, I watched a magic show 2 days ago. I watched a magic show 2 days ago, which was dash existing experience. Exactly experience. Okay, I watched a magic show 2 days ago, which was dash existing experience. Okay, next your options are the option A, B, option B, A, option C, and option C, D, no article. You all throw with the definition now. Da is a definite article which is used to point out an object or a class, and A and another indefinite article which is used to with a singular noun. T is a possessive pronoun. Okay, like it is a noun. And see here, I watched a magic show 2 days ago, which was an exciting experience. Okay. See, I watched the magic show 2 days ago, which was da will won't come because you have learned the usage of da. You have to apply here. What you have learned the usage of la, you have to apply here. Da will not. Next, A is used for singular nouns, A and but here I watch a magic show 2 days ago, which was an exciting experience. See, an is the appropriate answer. Here, experience is a singular noun. Okay, experience is a singular noun, which is an adjective starting with a oval. Okay, it is see oval. You have learned, along with that, you have learned the usage of a and an also. Do you remember? You have to start with the before the oval noun and then consonant noun. You have all studied the usage of a and an article. Apply that here. See, why I should use da here? Why can't sorry an here? Why can't I use da and a? Da is not answer. Leave it that. No article. You have the confusion between a and an. See, an. I'm using an here because here experience is a singular noun. Okay, experience is a singular noun, and one, and then another one is it is a adjective. Okay, it is adjective, and it is the starting with the oval. I have said you where I should also use a and. Do you remember that? I have explained that where I should use a and the. Like there are some four where I should use the article, and where I should there are some four, I think, right? Where I should use and, where I should use a, like that. See, uses of what is that? And do you remember what are the uses of and, where I should use that, and all we have discussed in the last session itself. Like that, apply that here. You should apply here. Okay, that a and an you should apply. Here, experience is an adjective. See, indefinite article a and will come under indefinite article. First one, uses of a. Let us recall now. Uses of a. A is used before beginning with a consonant. Okay, a is used beginning with a consonant, but it is oval here. Experience is a singular noun and it is oval here. What are ovals? A, E, I, O, U. E is a oval, so I should fill with a. See, what are the uses of a? We'll recall once. Okay, uses of a. A is used before the beginning of the consonant a, and then a is used before beginning with a oval but sound as a consonant, and then before the phrases or denoting the numbers or in the exclamation. And an is used words with a begin with the oval. See, words begin with the oval. Here E is a oval and it is a adjective word starting with a oval. It has to be filled with, and so option C has to be filled there. That is, I watched a magic show 2 days ago, which was exciting experience. This is how you have to answer, my dear kids. Here, you have to thorough with the uses. I have taught you where I should use the article, where I should use a and an article. If you are thorough with that, it is a very easiest chapter to solve the question answers. Please go through once after this session. I hope you all understood now. We'll move on to the next question. See, so for question number one, you had to fill in the blanks. Now again it has to fill in the blanks. Dash mangoes and dash apples are exported to other countries from India. Okay, India is very, which is the national fruit of India. Do you remember? Yes, mango. See, very sweetest fruit. We all know that summer, especially we'll get in the summer, right? We all love it. It's a very tastiest fruit. And then even apple also. Okay, we'll come back to the question now. Dash mangoes and dash apples are exported to other countries from India. And your options are option A and the, option B, the and the, option C, the and a, option D, no article. If they give two blank, you have to fill with the two article. Please, my dear kids, see, you have to choose. If they give a here, you have to put it in the first place itself. Don't mix that article. If you mix that, it will be completely wrong. Whatever they have given, you have to place. Like, see, first you have to place a only, and you have to second blank fill with the second article only. Please don't mix two those. Okay. Now we'll come back. You all know that da is a definite article which is point out to a particular object, class or a thing. Okay, and then a and an are the definite article which are used with a singular nouns. Okay, now let us see, as both are used in a general sense here. Yes, apple and mango, they are nouns, isn't it? So mangoes and apples are exported from other countries. Here we will be using in general. Mangoes and apples are used before. Where is that? We are using generally. So no article should be used. That there is no necessity of article to make it a complete sentences. Read once. A mangoes, a apples, no. And then the mangoes and the what is the apples? No, it complete doesn't make a complete sense. No. So it is already it is in the grammatical sentence. There is no necessity to add a article. So what is the correct option? Option D, no article. It, in the sense you should remember, you should not read no article mangoes and no article apples. No, just for your reference, it is already a grammatical sentence. I should not place any article to make it a grammatical. Read the sentence once. Mangoes and apples are exported to other countries from India. This is already a grammatical. Okay, my dear kids, I'll explain it once. Okay, question number 7 is, dash mangoes and dash apples are exported to other countries from India. This is your question. Okay, it has to be filled with a 2 blanks. Okay, the first question 2 blanks, and here it is also a 2 question, and you will be getting the options, that is a and the and and the and a and no article. My dear kids, keep in mind, if it is a, place it in the first blank itself. Don't mix these 2 articles. Okay, don't get mixed with the 2 articles, because it doesn't make a complete sense. If you miss the mix with 2 articles, it will gone. Okay, it will not make a complete sense. So whatever the first they give, fill it in the first one. Second. This should keep in mind. Okay, and we'll discuss now the. The is a definite article which is used to point out a particular object or a class. And then a and an are the definite article which is used with the singular nouns. And then here no article should be placed. No article is nothing but, I'll explain you why it is. See, what is the use of article? Why should I use the article? Because article is used in a sentences to make the grammatical sentence. Okay, to make a grammatical sentence, I'll be using article in the sentences. Okay, if a sentence is already in a grammatical, okay, if a sentence is already in a grammatical, no need to add the article. I mean, no necessity to add any article over that. Here, the sentence is already in the grammatical, that we'll be using mangoes and apples are exported to other countries. Okay, here you have no article is necessity that. And don't fill that no article in the 2 blanks. Okay, just stick the answer. While reading, you should read mangoes and apples are exported to other countries. You should not use that no article. It's just for your lesson. Suppose, for example, you have already ate something. Okay, you have already ate your morning breakfast. Okay, leave it that this is evening, right? Evening snacks. Again, your mom will give the snacks. You already full. Again, you will take. No, because you already full with it. Again, will not like to it. Like that, it is already a grammatical sentence, and then this is not there is no necessity to add a article over that. I hope you all understood. My dear kids, I'm keep on stressing. Please thorough with the definitions. Okay, and then especially to solve the question answers based on the article chapter, you have to thorough with the uses. Okay, I have in the previous session, I have taught you the uses. What is the uses of a, what is the uses of an, and what is the uses of the, and I have taught you omission also. Omission is nothing but where I should not use. I have taught you in the previous session. Please go through once. If you are thorough with that, it is very easy to solve these questions. And then the next question is, dash Air India has shown sign of improvement. Okay, dash Air India has shown the sign of improvement. Option A, A, option B an, option C the, option D no article. Okay, let us explain this. See, A and the are the indefinite article which is used for the singular noun, and then the is a definite article. See, Air India is a proper noun that requires no article. Air India is a proper noun. Okay, Air India is a proper. What is meant by proper noun? Proper noun is a which refers to a specific person, place, or a thing. It is already a proper noun. It is a grammatical sentence. Air India show the sign of improvement. Air India? No. An Air India? No. The Air India? No. It is already a grammatical sentence. No article is to be required to make the grammatical sentence. So what is the correct option? Option D, that is no article should be placed in that sentences. This is how you have to answer. I hope you all understood. We'll move on to the next question. The next question is, my dear kids, direction is same for everything. This is a chapter based on the article. You have to fill that the blanks with a suitable article. That's all. See the question number 9. My mother bought dash expensive saree on Mother's Day. This is your question. You have to fill this blank. Now option A and option B A, option C the, option D no article. Entire question answers is based on only the four what is that four option, because there is only three articles, that is A and the. Let us solve this. The is a definite article. It is used to point out a thing or a object. And A and the, A and another definite article which is used with a singular nouns. And then see here, and will be used. Here expensive saree, and is used because expensive is a singular noun. Okay, expensive is a singular noun and it is starting with the oval. Okay, expensive is a singular noun, it is starting with the oval, so I should fill with the option A, that is and. I hope you all understood. That is, my mother bought an expensive saree on Mother's Day. Why should I have filled with an only? Because expensive is a singular noun and it starts with a oval. What are ovals? A, E, I, O, U. Here expensive, E, X, P, E, N, C, I, V. It starts with E. E is a oval. So it has to be filled with option A, that is and. My dear kids, I'll repeat once. My mother bought dash expensive saree on Mother's Day. Okay, my mother bought dash expensive saree on Mother's Day. And your options are an, a, the, no article. Now we'll compare. The is a definite article as it points out to a particular object or a class. And then the second one, a and an. A and an are the indefinite articles. Okay, we all know that a and an are the indefinite article which is used with a singular noun. Here I have to fill with an. Why? Because here expensive is a singular noun and it starts with the oval. Okay, learn the uses of a and the. It is a expensive, it is a singular noun started with a e. Okay, then so what is the option now? Option A is the correct answer. This is how you have to solve the question answers based on the third chapter for your syllabus, that is articles. The next question, look, there is dash little squirrel on this tree. This is your question. Look, there is dash little squirrel on this tree. And option A and option B the, option C A, option D no article. Look, there is dash little squirrel in this tree. Option A and option B the, option C A, option D no article. Let us fill this. The is a definite article which is used to point out a particular object or a class. And then a and an is an indefinite article which is used with a singular noun. Here a is used because a little square is a singular noun. Little square. Squirrel. You all know squirrel is a beautiful, it is a very small, cute animal. This little squirrel is a singular noun and it is starting with a consonant. L is a consonant. Is it L belongs to the oval? No. Is it a consonant? So I have to fill with A. So what is the correct option? Option C is the correct answer. This is how you have to solve. I'll repeat once. Question number 10 is, look, there is a little squirrel on this tree. This is your question. And your options are followed by and, the, a, no article. Obviously, the is a definite article as it points out to a particular object or a class. And then the second one is a and an. Okay. And a and an are the indefinite article which are used with a singular nouns. Here I have to fill with A. Why? Because little squirrel is a singular noun. Little squirrel is a one word, that is a singular noun, and it is started with a consonant. What are consonant? Except the 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U, leave that 5 letters, rest are all called as consonant. So here the little square is a consonant. I have to fill with option C, that is A. So what is the correct option now? Read the sentence one. Look, there is a little square on this tree. This is how you have to answer. So what is the correct option? Option C is the correct answer. I hope you all understood. We'll move on to the next question. Next question is, I hate dance, geography and biology. The only subject I like English. This is very easy if you have learned the usage. Okay, where I should use the and that and all. Okay. Here the options are the and the. Option B, no article. It means no article should be filled in the first blank and second blank the will be placed. The third one is A and an. Option C, no article. Let us see now. The is a definite article. Let us point out to a particular object or a things. And here A and the indefinite article. C, I hate geography and biology. Only subject I like English. Is necessity to add any article over there? No, because it is already a grammatical sentences. There is no necessity to add a article over there. So what is the correct option? Option B is the no. Option B is the correct answer. C. I hate geography and biology. The only subject I like is English. Okay, two subject are here. The second option is to be filled, that is no article and then the. No article in the sense you should not, while reading you should not read the I hate no article geography. No, for your reference, I hate geography and biology. The only subject I like is English. This is how you have to answer. Okay, I hope you all understood. My dear kids, keep in mind here while reading, please don't read the no article. And one suggestion is, after choosing this, please read this complete sentence once. See, I hate geography and biology. The only subject I like is English. Like that, it feels to you whether it is a proper sentence or a error sentence. So read the complete sentence and then decide. I hope you all understood. We'll move on to the next question. Next question is, see, in the next question, the direction changes. Okay. See, so for the question number 1 to 11, there was a direction that fill in the blanks with the appropriate given option. Now read the direction. Answer the following questions by filling the blanks with the most appropriate article from the given option. One and the same, but the direction difference, that's all. They have given directly. Choose the correct answer from the given below. But here they have given choose the appropriate article from the given option. And your question is, what did you get for your birthday? This is one sentence. What did you get for your birthday? And I got dash lot of good presents. This is your sentence. And your options are option A, option B, the, Option C and option D, no article. I said no, entire chapter is based on only the 3-4 options, that is A and the no article, because there are only 3 articles, that is A and the will come under the definite article, A and the will come under indefinite article. Now come back to the question. What did you get for your birthday? I got dash lot of good present. This is your question. And let me explain this. The is a definite article. It is point out to a particular object or a class. And then A and an are the indefinite article which are used with a singular nouns. And then C, A is the correct. As lot of is a correct phrase. Here as lot of is a phrase, is nothing but phrase. What I said, phrase is a part of a sentence which doesn't make a complete sentence. Okay, phrase is a part of the sentence which doesn't make a complete sentence. See, if I add a there, it make a complete sentence. If I see, a phrase is nothing but as a part of a sentence, but it doesn't mean it doesn't make a complete sentence. If I add an article over to the sentences, then it will make. Now a lot of good present is a phrase there. If I want to add the article, then it will become a complete sentence. See, I have got lot of good present. What is that? I have got lot of good present. Instead of that, I have got a lot of good presents. So what is the correct option? Option A. A is the correct answer. This is how you have to answer. I clear you. Phrase is nothing but phrase is a part of a sentence. Okay, phrase is a part of a sentence, but it doesn't make a complete meaning of the given sentence. So what I have to do? I have to add a one article to complete the sentence. Not only one, it left to you article to complete the sentence. About the question, lot of good presents is a phrase. I have to add one article. Among the one, A is a perfect one. See, the lot of good presents, no, and lot of good presents, no. A is the correct answer. A lot of is a correct phrase. So I have to fill that option A. That is A. This is how you have to answer. I hope you all understood. We'll move on to the next question. Direction. Answer the following question by filling the blanks with the most appropriate article from the given option. This is your what is the direction? Okay, and the question number is where you are going for your vacation. Okay, where you are going for vacation, and I am going to dash hill station in the Himachal Pradesh. Okay, this is your question. See, question number 1 to 12, there is only one sentence, isn't it? There will be only one sentence and one blank. Here, in this direction changes to some question number 12, they have messed with two sentences. See here, where are you going for your vacation? This is one sentence. And I am going to hill station in Himachal Pradesh. This is two sentences are combined. Okay. Now let us see the option. Option A and option B A. Option C the. Option D no article. Now let us fill this. Okay. Solution. The is a definite article as it points out to a particular object or a class. And A and the is an indefinite article which is used for singular noun. From the starting of the session only I keep on telling. Now, for singular countable noun which starts with a consonant, okay, for keep in mind, for singular countable noun with start with a consonant, A article is used. I have explained you well usage of the articles. A and an are the definite articles. Okay, for a singular countable noun that to start with a consonant. Here H is a consonant, isn't it? Keep in mind dash, if they give the dash, before that you have to fill the article. You have already know that. While explaining I have said before, isn't it? Before, see H is a vowel there, sorry, consonant. H is a consonant, so you have to fill with option A. So what is the correct option? Option A, that is, I'll complete the sentence. Where are you going for your vacations? I'm going to a hill station in Himachal Pradesh, like that. Okay. Why I should A? Use A only because A is a singular count. It is used for singular countable noun with start with a consonant. Here H is a consonant. H-I-L-L is a hill. Starts with a H. H is a consonant. So I have to fill with a consonant. So what is the correct option? Option 2. A is the correct option. Now we'll move on to the next question. Look at the direction is the same. Question is, do you think your friend is lying? This is one sentence. No is a kind of dash guy who never tell lies. See, two sentences are joined. Now you have to add one article to make a grammatical sentence. Let us see now. Option A, the. Option B, and. Option C, a. Option C, no article. Obviously, the is a definite article as it points out to a particular object or a classes. And then a and is a indefinite article which is used with a singular noun. Here, do you think your friend is lying? And this is one sentence. No, is a kind of guy who never lies. Isn't need any article there? No. So what is the correct option? It is already a grammatical sentence. There is no need of using any article over that. So no article should be used. I'll read the sentence once. Do you think your friend is lying? No, he's the kind of good who never guy who never tell lies. It is already a grammatical sentence. There is no need of using the article over the sentences. Check with the sentences. If it is necessary to add the article, then you will be using. Otherwise, no need. This is how you have to answer. So what is the correct option here? Option D is the correct answer. This is how you have to answer the question answers based on the third chapter for your syllabus is article. Okay, my dear kids, so far you have solved some question answers based on this article chapter. See, it is little kind of difficult chapter, but you have thorough with the definition, especially the uses of the articles. That is, I have taught you in the previous session where I should use a, where I should use and what are the omission. Omission is nothing but where I should not use. This and all I have taught you in the previous session. If you missed the session, please go through it once. Okay, go through the video or a link. Okay, then please go through it. If you're thorough with the where I should use the article, and then it is very easiest chapter. If you don't know that, it will be messed up. You don't know where I have to use a, where I should not use the, like that. Okay. With this, I'll end my session. Before that, my suggestion is to please go through it. Okay. Before starting the next session. In the next session also, we'll solve some more question answers based on the same chapter. Okay. Before going that, what you have to thorough with the what is that each and every usages where I have to use, where I have not to use, like that. Okay. Only there are three articles, that is a and the. A and will come under indefinite article and the will come under definite article. If you are thorough with this thing, it is very easiest chapter. Otherwise, you will be get confused where I should use the, where I should use the, and then especially one extra option will come, that is no article. No article in the sentences is nothing but don't include while reading, just for your reference. Okay, just for your reference, because it is already a grammatical sentence, so I should not use. There is necessity to not necessity to use any article there. Why article used? Because article are used in a sentence to make a grammatical sentence and error without error. Okay, but it is already a grammatical, there is no necessity use of it, right? So when it is necessary, use of it, otherwise no need. I hope you all understood with today's session. With this, I end my session. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.